Come to this class, very special class, period, amplitude, phase shift, vertical shift, and so many things about sine graph. Let's start off with this. You have y equal to sine 2x. First of all, how do we sketch this? If you look at this very, realize that the amplitude is just 1. So that it is stretched in the vertical direction by just 1. And what does this 2 signify? First of all, we are going to find the period. The period is given as 2 pi over b. B is the coefficient of x. B is the number at this point, the coefficient of x. Therefore, this is going to be 2 pi over 2, which is what? Pi. So the period is pi. The question is, what is period? Period is the time it takes to complete one oscillation. It can be expressed in angle. It can also be expressed in terms of time. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do is to sketch. This is my y-axis, and this is my origin, and this is the x-axis. Now, because the amplitude is the coefficient of sine function, so but since there is no number there, there is invisible 1, so I'm going to call that place 1. So I'm going to call it +1 and -1. So I have gotten my period to be pi. That means the graph is going to start somewhere and end at pi, which is when it completes an oscillation. So I'm putting this pi here. All right. So I am done. The next thing is to put our graph. So the graph is going to start here, reach the amplitude, turn back, reach the negative axis, and stop at this point. So this is the graph of y equal to sine